Now, a village in Bihar has been in the news and in the midst of controversy over reports of alleged conversions here on Christmas Day last year and a Ghar Wapasi program organized by the Vishwa Hindu Parishad 4 days later. With many allegations and counter-allegations still being levelled over the alleged conversions, Alok Pandey and Habib Ali travelled out to the village in an effort to dig out the truth behind the episode. Here's a special report.
At Gaya's Atia village, just 8 kilometers away from tourist hotspot Bodh Gaya, tension that began on Christmas Day has carried on into the new year.
In the last 10 days, this village in Bihar's Gaya district has hit the headlines over reports of alleged conversions here, with the Vishwa Hindu Parishad even organizing a Ghar Wapsi program in this area. On the ground though, villagers here tell us that realities are very different.
Trouble started when local media started reporting about an alleged mass conversion drive at this church in the village on Christmas Day. But villagers like Vinod Manjhi claim that 42 families, part of the Mahadalit community at the village, have been following Christian traditions since 2007 itself, though they have not officially converted.
जैसा कि हम लोग 2007 से मनाते हैं, बिल्कुल इसी तरह से 25 तारीख को भी हम लोग मनाए।
लेकिन तो मतलब आप ये कह रहे हैं कि ऑफिशियली आप लोग आधिकारिक तौर पे कभी आप लोग मतलब धर्म परिवर्तन आप लोगों ने नहीं किया?
ना, हम लोग धर्म परिवर्तन नहीं किया।
A little outside the village, Shiv Shankar and his father, the first people to embrace a Christian way of life in this village in 2007, reject allegations by Hindu organizations of being ringleaders in a conversion drive here.
जब ये धर्म निरपेक्ष देश है, तो सर यहाँ किसी भी धर्म मानने की हमारा मौलिक अधिकार है, और मौलिक अधिकार को यदि कोई दबाने का सर प्रयास करता है, तो मान के चलिए कि वो कानून को तख्ते पर रख करके वो गैर कानूनी ढंग से वो काम करना चाहता है इस देश में।
4 days after the allegations of conversion at Atia, a Ghar Wapsi program was hurriedly organized at the village. In attendance, the Gaya BJP MP Hari Manjhi and other Vishwa Hindu Parishad and Bajrang Dal leaders. Most of these villagers say they stayed away.
हम लोग को जो गांव में भी इतना अच्छा से सुधरा हुआ है, इस तरीका से हमारा गांव नहीं था, इसलिए हम लोग धीरे धीरे किसी द्वारा सुसमाचार सुने, उसमें जाने के इच्छा हुई, गए।
देखिए उस दिन ऐसा है कि प्रशासन के इतने दबाव रहा, हमने देखा कि हम वहाँ लगता है कि एक छावनी में तब्दील कर दिया गया वहाँ प्रशासन के माध्यम से, उस गांव से लोगों को आगे बढ़ने नहीं दिया, धारा 144 वहाँ पर लागू कर दिया।
The Bihar government has so far maintained an inquiry will be ordered if needed, and that they have no role except when there are forcible conversions. For these villagers, though, the aggressive religious posturing by both sides and the media attention are what they would rather avoid. In Gaya's Atia village with Bimlendu Chaitanya and camera person Habib Ali, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.